Anyway, guys, Uzandile, Khumalo Gumede, and Jub Jub, they are currently celebrating what Instagram. I think the reason why they don't have a problem is because he's not hiding. Even myself, if he was hiding, I was gonna have a problem. But anyway, guys, let's get to start of today. You know, the rest of the house is on my piece and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. So yesterday, Uzandile, Khumalo Gumede posted a mini video. As you can see, ingane Kelly Khumalo and Jub Jub. For those who don't know, Kelly Khumalo and Jub Jub, they do have a son. So Zandile went on to say, my son is dating guys. How amazing God is. Christian, he's turning 15 this year. He has a whole girlfriend, Bagiti. He called me the other day and say, Mom, I'm going on a date with the most amazing girl ever. What must I do? What must I talk to her about? I say, be yourself, son. He say, okay, Mama. She went on to say, God, you know, I never ask you for much, but please be kind to this young boy. I raised him nami ngisasemncane ngingakwazi lutho, and Lord, you guide me. He's been through so much that it was never his fault. Khulise, umqinise, umqondise, aqhubeke to look after his sister and his grandmother, because he is an amazing young man. Also, Jub Jub posted the same video with the caption, net so it is a done deal, my boy has sealed it, it's yours, umakoti wemlungu bafowethu. So guys, the people went on to say, hi Bonina, guys, you are celebrating ukuthi ingane in a girlfriend. I think the reason why he did not hide, it shows ukuthi he needs some guidance. You know, I still remember, guys, when we were dating, there's no way that you can tell your parents that you are dating. The right way to date is when you are 18 years old, maybe you are 21, you're about to get married if you're a Christian. So guys, people are just saying, hi about Jub Jub, I also gonna do we are Jola 99 on this one and then do the investigation. So guys, yeah, it's a lot, guys. What I can say, I mean, I'm a 2000, guys. At least they do communicate with their parents. Like Uzandile said that I'm there for him. I'm going to support him. We're not going to face a teenage pregnancy. I mean, I guess there's nothing we can say because, guys, I'm a 2000. They have access to social media. They do see things that are not supposed to see. As if for Zandile, Khumalo and Jub Jub, I think they do have to guide him. Even if they are going out, they need to be there, guys. You need to monitor these kids, guys. You cannot trust ingane uthi ngoba seziyajola ngoba zokutshela ukuthi zona ziyajola, so you need to trust them. No, guys, you need to teach them that you need to protect yourself. You need to take care of yourself. You need to stay away from things that will make you to become a teen mom or a teen dad. That one, guys, they need to be strictly monitor them, guys. These kids, they will be doing things that are not supposed to do. So anyway, guys, let's tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Will you allow your son to have a girlfriend? As for me, I don't think so. I can allow that, guys. I don't know. Maybe I'm too strict, or maybe I'm too much. Maybe I'm old-fashioned. Anyway, guys, let's tell me in the comment section, what do you think?